my dog Penelope. Look at this teeth. It's so yucky, but it's so cute. He always running because I just put this one. Penelope's gonna be all on mine. He's only sitting. And he always wants to play with other dogs because they wants to fight. But Penelope wants to meet you. But Penelope is my dog. Oh, close your mouth, Penelope. Close your mouth. You always say, wow, wow, wow. And look at me. Oh, how about, he's super cute. I can let him go so he's so cute. He's so adorable. Poop, poop, poop. You are so adorable. So cute. And this, because we're gonna play. What is Penelope's doing? Are you scared?
I don't care, Bob.
But he's so adorable. He said, wang, wang. He's just like a cat. But he's so adorable. So cute and so comfy. But before Penelope is gone, but you are gonna be so happy to meet there with you. He's so proud and don't be shy. He's not gonna bite you. I promise he's not gonna bite. He's so adorable, see? But don't throw them some things, or maybe this one will bite you and he will kill you because so adorable. Don't put it everywhere you want because he's gonna be gone. You don't have this one and then your dog put it there and you to eat and he's gone. Your mother is so angry, so mad. He cannot come back home because he's have a pet. And this is how he's named. Dog, just for dogs. It's so adorable. See, look at his tail. It's just like a ponytail who called something, or maybe this is just like a tail. See? And it's so adorable. I know you want to play with this one because pakita kay Mama Nan. See? And then look at Penelope. Look, excuse me. So adore. It's just like a pony. So adorable. He can do tricks like jump or gonna bite you. Something. But it's so adorable. It's so adorable to comfy. The end. Goodbye everyone. Subscribe our channel and don't kill your dog. Bye-bye.